Welcome everyone. We are on R.D. Sharma chapter Polynomials exercise 5.1. So here we can see in question 19 that we need to make some changes in order to do this question. So wait, we can write it as 2x square y square minus x square y square. It will remain the same, but we just had to make some changes. Now we can write it as x square whole square plus 2x square y square plus y square whole square minus xy whole square, right? So it will make an identity now. So it will be x square plus y square whole square minus xy whole square. So now again an identity will be used, a square minus b square. So according to it will be x square plus y square minus xy, x square plus y square plus xy. So this is the required answer. We just had to manipulate it. We can write it as 2x square y square minus x square y square. Only thing was that, and others are already done in the questions before. Now in question 20 we need to rearrange first these. So it will be x square, because this and this can make an identity, so we'll rearrange this. 4z square minus 4xz minus y square on the side. So it will be x square plus 2z square minus 2x into 2z minus y square will remain same. Now this is making identity x minus 2z and minus y square. Now it is making identity a square minus b square. It will be x minus 2z minus y, x minus 2z plus y. So this is the answer for question number 20. Now here in question number 21 I have written p plus q because it will be solved by the method of splitting. So p plus q needs to be 6 root 2 and pq needs to be 10. So now what we need to do, let's take an example. If we take 5 root 2 into root 2, so if we multiply it will be 5 into 2, that is 10. So pq is satisfied. And if we add these two, then it will be 6 root 2, so it satisfies this. Now let's write it here, x square plus 5 root 2 x plus root 2x, right, plus 10. Now we'll take first two terms and last two terms to split. So here x is common, so x plus 5 root 2 plus here nothing is common, so we'll write 1 as common. So here if we see, we can write 10 as 5 root 2 into root 2, right? Now we'll take the commons out. So x plus 5 root 2 plus here common is root 2, so we'll take root 2 out. It will be x because root 2 is out, so x will be remaining. Then from here it will be 5 root 2 and this 2 is taken as common. So now these two are common, so we'll take it out, x plus 5 root 2, x plus root 2. So this is our answer for question number 21. Now for question 22, again it is of type of question number 21. So here we'll take p plus q, and I've written all these. Now we need to think of such numbers. So root 2 will be taken, it's for sure. So if we take 5 minus 5, right, root 2 and 3 root 2, if we add these it will be equal to minus 2 root 2, and if we multiply, so it will be minus 15 into 2, that is minus 30. It means these two numbers are right. So now writing these here, it will be x square minus 5 root 2 x plus 3 root 2x minus 30. Taking first and last two terms to split, to take common. So here x is common, x minus 5 root 2 plus 3 is common, root 2x minus 10, right? Now here 10 can be written as, see, first x minus 5 root 2 plus 3 root 2x minus, so this can be written as 5 root 2 into root 2. So now let's take common, x minus 5 root 2 plus 3. Here root 2 will be common, so root 2 goes out, it will be x minus 5 root 2. So these are common now, x minus 5 root 2, and taking everything else in the bracket. So this is our answer for question number 22, x minus 5 root 2 and x plus 3 root 2. So this is the answer. Now here for question 23, if we take, here again I have written p plus q and pq, so we have to form this and this. If we take minus 2 root 3 and root 3, if we add them it will be minus root 3, and if we multiply them it will be minus 2 into 3, that is minus 6. That's required, so we can take this. Now writing it here, minus 2 root 3 x plus root 3x minus 6. Now taking first two and last two terms, x minus 2 root 3, so nothing is common, so we'll write it as it is. Now here 6 can be written as, wait, x minus 2 root 3 plus 1. Here, so 6 can be written as 2 root 3 into root 3, right? So now we have to take common from these plus, so here root 3 is common, so it will be x minus 2 root 3. So these are common, taking them out, and everything else in the bracket. So this is our answer for question number 23, x minus 2 root 3 and x plus root 3. So this is our question answer. Thanks for watching.